Yo, what's good, y'all? So Latrell and Yeelight actually reached out to me to go ahead and check out their product here. So Yeelight is basically a Xiaomi company, and they made this Yeelight Pro here that they want me to go and check out. So that's what we're gonna be doing. It's a smart light here that works with wireless charging, and it works on like Google Assistant and Apple HomeKit and smart things and all that. So you can use Bixby, Siri, Google Assistant. And we're about to go and check this thing out. So shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. Alright, so we get our Yeelight LED Pro here by Yeelight, and I'm actually pretty excited for this because I've actually been looking to really up my smart home game recently, so they hit me up at the right time. Like, check this out. So, I just got a smart garage hub here for my garage door. I just got it from, what was it, Lowe's? And so far it don't work on my garage door opener. I got one called Extreme Garage from Menards. I don't know if y'all know what that is, but like, it's based in Wisconsin. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and look at this box here. So we have the lamp here, which looks pretty small. So I don't know if I like how small it looks, but we'll see how it looks when we get out the box. We got the Yeelight logo here. Again, it's a Xiaomi company. You know, Xiaomi actually made this, like how Xiaomi makes the what phones does Xiaomi make? Whatever other phone brands Xiaomi makes, yeah, it's pretty much like that. So we got the Yeelight LED Pro here. It's all in Chinese text and all that, and it works with HomeKit. On the left side, it looks like we got some QR codes here, so you can maybe scan your phone so it can go ahead and pair with it. And then we got some specs over here. On the back, it's the same exact thing as the front, and on the right side, we have, again, Chinese text. Hold on, I have an idea. Let me go and grab my phone. All right, so I got my S20 Ultra over here, and we're about to go and use this to see if we could translate this text. So it looks like we have some of the features over here, like delay lights off. We have a night light here. We have foreign object detection, 10-watt fast charging. We have safety protection, and then we got intelligent linkage control. So we're gonna need our unboxing. Oh God, I just stepped on my Z Flip. So it looks like we're gonna need our unboxing knife. Let's go ahead and close this real quick. Okay, there we go. Let's just go and cut into that box, and let's go ahead and open this up real quick. All right, so what do we have here? We have our user manual. You know what we do with that. Throw it to the side, and let's just go ahead and take this thing out the box here. Yeah, this is kind of hard. All right, so I finally got the lamp out of here, and let's go ahead and take all this apart. And there we go. So here's our Yeelight. So like I said, it's a pretty short lamp here, but like it is what it is. I'm about to break it already, but it looks pretty nice, man. But if you look over here at the bottom, you can see that's where you wireless charge your stuff, and this is how you go ahead and turn it on if you don't want to use your voice assistant or whatever. So let's go and check out what's inside this box, and it looks like only the charger. And yeah, so it looks like that's pretty much it. So it don't look like we need any hub or anything. So it looks like it says right here, Yeelight LED Pro with our specs and then our HomeKit scanner. So now let's go ahead and just plug this thing in real quick because I have a little power strip over here. But just looking at the cord itself, all we really get over here is just some plastic wrap over here that I can go and take off, and then our Yeelight logo. And then we just got some specs of the charger over here. So we have 12 volts and 1.5 amps. So let's go ahead and times that. And it actually comes to 18 volts. So this is an 18 volt charger. And if you didn't know that, now you know that. So basically what you do is for the output, you go ahead and times the volts and the amps, and then that's what you get for your wattage. So let's go ahead and take this off, and let's go ahead and plug this lamp in. So it looks like we just plug it here in the back, and there we go. So it should be turning on, right, or not? Let's just go ahead and turn this on first. And there we go. So again, it's a nice looking light. We have this light here at the top, and then we just got all this light here at the bottom, obviously. And if you want to, you can go ahead and adjust this so you can go ahead and get your right angle. So actually, we're gonna go ahead and need that user manual real quick because I don't know how to set this up. Everything on that box is Chinese, and so is this. So yeah, that's not really helping. Let's go ahead and scan one of these here. So let's go ahead and pull up the camera real quick, and let's go ahead and go over the photo. Now let's go ahead and see right here. So it looks like we need to download the Mi Home app. I don't know why it does that sometimes. So just go ahead and tap it again and it'll download. And also it gave me a link to this Yeelight app here, so I'm gonna go ahead and download that. And it's just confusing. It's all in Chinese. I don't know Chinese. So let's go and try out this Yeelight app here. Let's go ahead and pull that up. Let's go ahead and hit experience now. So we're already in North America. Let's go ahead and accept all that. And now it looks like we need to make an account. So I feel like I made an account a while ago when I used MIUI. I think it was a ROM or something like that. So I don't even know like what my info is. I'm gonna just go ahead and make a new one here. Alright, so let's see what this is all about here. Okay, so check your inbox. And let's go and tap on activate accounts. So there we go. And now for the setup process. So now we're about to go and tap on add device. We're going to go ahead and scroll down and look for our Yeelight Pro. And I think this is what we're looking for right here. And basically what it told me was to go ahead and plug it in while I'm holding on to the power button right here. And now it looks like I did that. So let's go ahead and do that right there. And that looks like our Yeelight right there. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Let's see here, connect to another router. Let's go and sign into our Wi-Fi. And there we go. So I think that's all we need right there. Alright, so cool. Looks like we're all connected here. So Yeelight Star LED table lamp, that's cool. Let's go ahead and turn on the LAN control. So basically what this is the reason why they sent this to me, by the way. But basically it's supposed to work directly with your internet connection, not like when you have a live internet connection, but like when your router and modem's plugged in. And it's supposed to work with your local network instead of relying on the cloud to go ahead and respond and turn off your lights and all that. So this only works with Google Home, it looks like, and we're about to go and try that. So I'm gonna go and do this with the LAN control off, and then I'm gonna go and do it with the LAN control on. But right here you can see I got it all set up and everything. So I got all my different presets right here, so I can go ahead and mess with the color if I want to. I can go over here to the recommended and set it to something like flash notify, and it should be doing that. So now let's go and try out wireless charge. So I'm gonna go and throw my S20 Ultra on there, and it should be charging in a minute. Now let's go and move that a little bit actually, and there we go. So now it's charging. Now let me go and try my Galaxy Watch. I don't think this is gonna work, but we can go ahead and try. I got my Galaxy Watch on there, and no, it's not doing nothing. So I don't think it's this lamp's problem. I think it's like Samsung, because they have some type of proprietary thing going on where you need to use one of their chargers. But yeah, so let me go and try my Galaxy Buds now. I just got my Galaxy Buds here, so let's go and throw that on top, and you can see right there it's charging. So let me go and grab my iPhone next, and there we go, same thing, is charging. And while I did all that, I went ahead and set up a Google Assistant so we can go ahead and try this. So ultimately what I ended up deciding to do was put this up against my Philips Hue light, which doesn't have this localization feature like Yeelight does. I ended up putting them in the same room, so now let's go and try this out. So, hey Google, turn off the office light. And yeah, so the Yeelight's quicker, way quicker, wow. Okay then, I didn't expect that type of a difference. Okay, so maybe we'll go and give that another try. So again, Yeelight, Philips Hue. So, hey Google, turn on the office light. Wow, okay, so Philips Hue was actually quicker this time. Hey Google, turn off the office light. And Yeelight again was quicker, but it wasn't that much quicker, to be honest with you. So I actually did see Tech with Brett's video, and shout out to him, but it seemed like it was the same exact thing for him, like it wasn't much of a difference at all, and that's what it seemed like to be right here. So now we're gonna go and try this one more time. So hey Google, turn on the office light. And again, Philips Hue is quicker this time. So to be honest with y'all, I don't see any type of a difference really with this whole localization thing, and I'm pretty sure y'all don't see it either. Like, I have it all set up and everything, right? I guess Yeelight and Google needs to work on this some more, but so far, I don't really see any difference, and it seems like Philips Hue's faster sometimes. So, and I really got to get my Philips Hue video out because I recorded like part of it, but I never finished it. Like, I was doing an unboxing like what, 2 months ago, and I never finished that. So yeah, yo, that's pretty much all I got for y'all for this Yeelight here. So what do y'all think about this? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll go and leave a link down below if you want to go and buy this. So far it's looking like a nice lamp, but this whole LAN thing that they said in the app ain't really making a difference. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. And I got kind of a lot of cool stuff coming soon, so like I said, I'm working on that whole garage door thing. We'll see if that ends up working out in the end. And also, I got these Sony headphones. Whatever these things are called, like, it's so complicated, it doesn't even make sense. But it's those $350 headphones that like literally every YouTuber talks about, and so far I'm liking them. Like, I had the Bose headphones 700s, and I did not like those. I did not like those at all. So to have these now and actually be impressed by these, that's really nice. But yeah, y'all, so thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I can do more videos on this, and I will have the Galaxy Buds Plus after the water test video coming soon. But yeah, peace out.